Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to burn a data CD using CD Burner XP on your laptop. Firstly, download CD Burner XP from the official website. Then install the application like any other software and run it. When prompt, select Data Disk, then click OK. Now, insert a blank CDR or CD-RW into your CD Burner. Then click the Add button. Use the Windows File Explorer to find the files you want to add to the CD. Then select the files, then click Open for each. Keep an eye on the green fill indicator at the bottom of the CD Burner XP window to monitor available space on the CD. Once you've added all desired files, click the Burn icon and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the burning process. CD Burner XP is a user-friendly tool for burning data CDs, even on Windows 11. If you're considering alternative storage solutions, external drivers are a great option for larger data needs. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.